तो हेलो गाइस, आज हम आए हैं चंडीगढ़ के बर्ड पार्क और अब हम आपको एंट्रेंस दिखाते हैं कैसा है। ये इसका टिकट काउंटर है, ये एंट्रेंस है। अब हम आपको अंदर लेके जाएंगे, दिखाएंगे कैसा है। This is the information about the park. This is a cute cherry blossom tree and this is the title of the Chandigarh Bird Park. This is the first thing we saw, and then we are at the entrance, and let's see what's inside. And this bird park is about all the birds which are present in India, which are found in India. And this is a cute photo stop. Let's give the ticket to the uncle. This is a selfie of me with the photo stop. So let's move on. Now we are on the entrance after giving tickets and have some selfies. Now we are gonna see different type of birds. So these are bird diversity of city forest. See, these are all the birds, like they are found in India. They are like so this is the first bird. So she is very small. So let's move on to a Vatika, which is Navgrah Vatika. It represents all the planets. This is Navgrah Vatika. This is so beautifully cutted and beautifully presented. Let's go inside. So this is everything in it. So we can go inside this Navgrah Vatika, but not like that much. So let's move on. So this is the first. This is like ducks. These are ducks which are present here, and this is their stop. They were so hot, that's why they are dipping in water. These are baby ducklings and the black duck. These are Indian ducks. Black Indian ducks, sorry. So these are baby ducklings here. So cute. And this is the one more photo put here. These are swans. This is greater cowtail and it's not present here. Let's move on next. So we have experienced it. Let's go to next. So this is the next Vatika. It's the next. So this is I don't remember the name. You can pause the video and see. And these are beautifully flamingos which are made of like tires and wastes. This is an eagle which is showpiece. He is a small bird here, and this bird was not present here. So मतलब जिसमें मैंने से फोटोज लिए ना, वो नहीं थे, प्रेजेंट नहीं थे। ये इसके पीछे था, ये ब्राउन हेडेड बारबेट। तो अब हमने बीच में थोड़ी बर्ड्स देख ली, वाटिका देख ली। अब हम नेक्स्ट चलते हैं।